What's up, everybody? I'm Jason, this is Freeburg Garage, and today we are mounting my Vise by Doyle or Harbor Freight, Doyle Vise, whatever you want to call it. 5-inch Vise, top of the bench, look at the specs, and get this thing mounted because I got some projects I need to get done. This is holding me up, all right? Let's do it. Doyle Harbor Freight Vise, whatever Doyle means, I'm not too sure, but it's their red, and that usually means premium from Harbor Freight. Matches their logo, and what I like about their premium stuff from Harbor Freight is that it's just good. It's good stuff. You know, is it great? Probably not, but it's a Vise, and it had everything that I was looking for. It's a 5-inch. Actually, I wish it was a 6-inch. That's the most premium. 6-inch. And being able to rotate it, spin it upside down. But this is the biggest that they make, 5-inch for a realistic price. Once you start getting into those 6-inch ones, they do sell that one. But like I said, it doesn't turn upside down. That's what I was looking for. So you can actually turn it, be able to use it on different sizes, be able to get into different positions that you need to get to. But for this one, it's gonna work out for what I need, all right? Now, what you think of Harbor Freight's premium to their lesser stuff, their lesser stuff to their premium, in my opinion, there's a big difference. Their stuff is pretty much right there at the baseline level of getting into the most non-professional, professional stuff for garage doers, DIYers, and it will get the job done. If you break this, then I guess you really need to upgrade it into something more premium. But when you do that, you start into the 300 to 500 to 600. It just gets ridiculous depending on who the tool brand is and what you have. So that's why I just like going with the old 5-inch Vise from Doyle because it's gonna suffice. It's gonna have everything I have here. But let's go over some of the specs that the box is gonna tell us here, right? We got 8,000 pounds of gripping force. I don't know how much force I'm gonna need. We got 4 inches of maximum opening, 5 3/8 throat depth. We got a built-in anvil, and we have 60,000 duct line cast iron that it is made out of, and replaceable hardened steel jaws down below. The 6-inch Vise does not have that. It just has the up top opening area where it's gonna clamp down. So this allows us to have 2 clamping areas. This is great for like pipes and all that stuff to be able to clamp down what you need to. So multi-purpose in my garage and be able to work around. But pretty stoked. This is gonna get the job done. I'm pretty happy I'm finally able to get this on the bench and be able to work with it. All right, so let's open this up, figure out where we're gonna mount this, and then get to drilling. All right, so if you're gonna lift this up, it does say it takes 2 people, 50 to 100 pounds. Team lift, but not today. One-man band, one-man show. Let's hope I don't drop it on my toe. There we go. All right, pretty much got it set where I want. Just gonna drill some pound holes. Start over there. Try this paddle out here. First hole. Okay. Screw in. Oh, a little tight. A little bit bigger. All right, we're gonna bump this up to 1/2-inch hole here. See if we get better clearance. Should. Perfect. Okay. All right. It's the first one. Let's do the other 2. I'm gonna get this kind of set up here for the other ones. Measure up the other side. Make sure we're still good. All right. Perfect. All right, and our last hole. Make sure everything looks good. Right there. Get this already going. screws to mount this, so everything lines up. Should. Good there and there. Bolts in. There. All right. Now let's get our bolts on. We're good. All right, let's get this cleaned up. All right, Vise is all mounted, looks great. Now to show you guys the features of what this holds, all right? The opening, super smooth, no slop, and it just glides open. The other big factor why I have this is the 360 gyro on this, is that you just pull this pin, you can move it to as you need fit, locks in. We can use the pipe vise up here, move it again, flip it completely upside down, and go all the way around now to the top. Back in place, and go back in. So, small features that help out in the long run for other stuff that I'm doing around my garage. Super stoked how it came out. Looks awesome. Now it just needs some work to get it done, all right? But for now, that about runs for me in this one, guys. I would greatly appreciate if you could hit the subscribe button, tap that like, press the notification, leave a comment below and tell me what you think. For those of our subscribed, thank you, and as always, stay free. I'll catch you guys later. Peace.